Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to join my live stream. This is me, your host, Crypto Moon. How are you all? I hope you all are well and good. So please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So if you have any question related to today's stream or project, feel free to ask in my comment section. So I am back with a new interesting project for you. So please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow my account. तो हम अपना आज का टॉपिक डिस्कस करते हैं, लेकिन डिस्कस करने से पहले थोड़ा वेट करेंगे ताकि हमारे मेंबर्स हमें ज्वाइन कर लें। तो अगर अभी तक आपने मुझे फॉलो नहीं किया तो मुझे फॉलो कर लें ताकि हम मजीद इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक डिस्कस कर सकें। So now let's get stream started, and today our topic and we discuss Gate Launch Pool Sport GUSD staking in project hashtag 312 Union U stake GUSD or you to claim airdrop. So 2025 by 090507 11.06 UTC, and the total views we have 23045 views. Okay, so Gate Launch Pool now support GUSD staking and will launch project 312 Union U. Users can stake GUSD to use to share 6,500,000 U token for free. So airdrop rewarded are distributed early. So mint GUSD or deposit GUSD or trade GUSD in USDT market via. Okay, the link says here in front of your screen. So airdrop detail, we have staking period September 5, 2025 at 9.00 UTC to September 15, 2025 at 9.00 UTC. Okay, the next we have total staking reward, we have 6,500,000 U. Okay, so now next we have the launch pool U. Union is the leading ZK interoperability Z1 functioning as a statement and liquidity layer for protocol and assessed issues. There are no dependence on trust and third parties across multi-signatures or MPC. Unlike others interoperability protocol, Union hyper efficient ZK interoperability layers of enable assemble decentralizing our speed. So these makers are Union network are first in its category, what's aiming for sub second or attentions across China. So these end games of across future. Okay, so now next we have the official website, X Twitter, white paper or announcement. So first we have total reward 6,500,000 U. Start time 2025 by 0905 14.0000 UTC, and the end time we have 2025 0915 14.0000. Okay, so now the end is 40 by 21 46.39. The next we have pool GUSD or U. So total staking reward we have 5,000 U. Mining period 10 days. Total staked 27.011.193.51 GUSD. Participant we have 3.288. Price pool only cap we have 20.833.33 U, or individual only reward cap we have 2.499.99 U. For APR we have 18.68%, or individual staking cap we have 500.000 GUSD. Okay, so now we discuss the launch pool of U. The next we have the official website of Union. Thank you so much, Gate user, for your joining and comment. Thank you so much. But I can't understand your voice, your language. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. So please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow. So now next we have the official website. Join the Union, the next generations of aggregations, interoperability and chain abstraction. Okay, so now consistent verifications for security and scalability. The first subsequent messaging or protocol for application specific instant and transfers. So learn more. The end gem is game is ZK proof significantly ultimated connection real time joint ceremony. So native on all executions environment or Union supports EVMS, SVMS and Alter VMs by integrating with all executions environments. Okay, so now next we have our ecosystem and the partners of Union. You see in your screen in front of you, Secret Scroll, Polygon, Movement or Stray Gazi. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. So please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow. Okay, so now next we have the documents of Union and we discuss introduction. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow my account. Okay, great user. Thank you so much. And it says thanks for your services, please. Okay, dear. Thank you so much for your joining. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow my account. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Okay, so now next we discuss the introduction of Union. So the Union network is a hyper efficient zero knowledge or infrastructures layer for general messaging, passing, access or transfer, NFTs and DeFi. It based on consensus verification on has no dependence to trusted third parties or Oculus, multi-signature or MPC. So Union used advanced zero-knowledge cryptography and BLS signature to bring the faster and more secure inter-blockchain communication protocol IBC every year. So Union used advanced zero-knowledge cryptography and BLS signature to bring the faster and more secure inter-blockchain communication protocol IBC every year. So who is Union Bullet for? For those who care about decentralizations and reliability and believe that finance should be accessible for everyone. So core volume, Union is developed to be scalable powerhouse. So fast bridging transactions are generated and satellite quality or quickly secure. A badge by fork choice rule or future proof core tech is bullet for the next decade. So easy to use, high level API enabled for developers for any ecosystem. The next we have overview. So overview, the Union protocol is the flavor of IBC and fully IBC compatible with creation, execution and innovations to make the protocol more efficient, faster and flexible for builders without reducing any security guarantees. Thanks to all for your joining. Thank you so much, great user or Shimul. So connection and channels, we have instead of a legacy single chain or single connection protocol, Union uses a connection and channel standards to facilitate communication between rollup and chain. So this has several advantages or each connections encoded a finally management and security levels such that we can support both soft and hard finalization or arbitrarium. So each chain encode a mining protocol of allowing to support different protocols concurrently. So we currently support two categories of connection, direct and recursive. Each connection can leverage any of light clients. Direct connections are single hop, while recursive connections leveraging statements to perform arbitrary amount of hop. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. So the complex combination of connection category and clients type is abstracted for on-chain protocol and end users to them to connection act as simple sockets. So next we have version. So Union support different protocol over each chain. Channels are connections or agnostic management that L channel variant support both direct and recursive connection. So the connection channel IC220 by 1 or UCSO3 by ZKGM by 0. So each protocol VN has different functionalities and intended use case for most users in the aperture rate channel type. So VN or use case UCS03 by ZKGM by 0 access transfer NFT transfers packet intents or ICE 20 by 1 access transfer. Okay, so now next we have IBC Union Development. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So if you have any question related to today's stream or topic, feel free to ask in my comment section. Okay, so now we have IBC Union developments. All developments of the IBC Union Stake Light clients and USC app bullet on Union chains are identified by the Universal Chain ID and specified in UCS04. So contract Babyloon BBN by 1. So category name or address is core IBC by Union by core or light client compatible or straight tense by ICE 23 MPT or treatment or trusted by EVM by MPT or app or US 30 by 3. So now next we have Babyloon BBN test number 5. So category name and addresses as same. We discussed in first. तो इसमें ये सारे BSC के डिटेल और चार्ट दिए गए हैं. Okay, so now next we have chains overview. Okay, so now supported chains union has live connection on different ecosystem where you ensure indexing collaborate with the relayer and maintain interactions with protocol. So we categorize L2 and L3s as chain as well. We abstract over chain. Over each error cannot read properties of new reading or data. Okay, so now next we have overview. So now we have the direct IBC connections are what most chains leveraging and Cure currently the only option when leveraging the vanilla IBC stake union hub and spoke model is supported but has to leverage pocket forward middleware. There are a few fundamental downloaded to PFM described in our research to strategics and intents. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion, for your joining. Hi everyone. Crypto Champion, you light up the stream with your energy and charm. Always a joy. Watch your life keep going. Thank you so much, dear. Means a lot. Okay, so now next we discuss recursive overview. There are multiple significant flaws to direct connection with increased latency and cost and make intent-based filling impossible. Requesting to receive of connection dynamically increase the compatibilities of connection. Okay, so now state lenses with direct connection to connected chains verify each other's consensus and use membership proof to verify each other's specs for routing. A hub chain can leverage spec forward middleware to do multi-roof or routing. PMF has made technical emulation, so stateless are a better alternative to MPF to describe by Union R&D team here. So using statements or state lenses, leveraging a recursive storage proof of fetch and the client state held by another chain. So chain A union or chain B, chain A by union client update or storage pool, or chain B. This allows chain B to accept storage proofs over chain A without needing to dispatch packs or to union, reducing query or latency. So advantage, theoretical substrate latency, netting of packets and acknowledgement to minimize membership or proof or intent-based filling. The next we have commit builds introduction. proving a blockchain state and financially lenses as the root of secure bridging and conclusive verification. Determinate also designed for fast single slot financially is not suited for bridging to block space restricted chains such as Ethereum. It's required too much competition to verify, and even creating zero knowledge proof of the verification is expensive. So solo and scale poorly with the number of validations. Most attempts to bridging your Ethereum before union as centralizing and not be based to the consume verification. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow. So if you have any question related to today's stream or topic, feel free to ask in my comment section. Okay, thanks to all for your joining. So commit bills is also improvement upon Treadminite, where makes it suitable for zero knowledge powering. Commit BLS is achieved by their significant challenges to commit BFL with the future improving pending. These improvements will decrease powering time every further, leading or faster bridging, transfer and cheaper reality or relying. Thank you so much CryptoRex for your joining. Thank you so much Crypto Butterfly. Make 20 money ZX Fingling. So BLS signature bench lay or statement BLS signature for the foundational to the leveraging for attention to the Mr. They are cheaper to verify for both regular IBC and zero knowledge. And zero knowledge proves that KP based IBC will be a self signature. We can aggregate the public keys and this signature and verify their aggregated signature with the aggregated public key. This has a few advantages. Or transaction size decrease compared to ECDSA verification. We do not need to transfer all signature, thus the aggregate. The number second, on-chain computation score decrease. Instead of verifying each signature, we verify the agreement. So ZKP verification is much more efficient. Note that the union validators do not produce ZKPS directly, or this function is performed by Glorious Layer and produce proof themselves of use union as a distributed sequestering layer through to the use of proof claim. Okay, so now under bits, the union network can scale to the 100 of validators without impacting performance or bridging latency. Furthermore, because BLS signature has been aggregated, we can employ distributed validator tech and scale to thousands of validators. So MIMC hashing memes. So SHA by 256 is used across to determinate for storage proof and more. The security of SHA 256 over alternative like Blake is questionable. The main downside in the high cost with zero knowledge circuit to prove that hashing, so MMC, is an alternative that providing excellent security and significantly decrease the number of consistents in goals. So come BLS v3 introducing then MMIC hashtag bridging significant performance or enhancement. So epoch based validator rotation reducing to the number of light client updates required for the secure operation of the bridges is crucial to layer profitability and the economics facilities for light of clients in case concentrated and environment which I am turn reduce fees for regular use or staking in our current effort to minimize useless to the light client or updates and proof generator. It's combined design for Polkadot, consume with commerce or governance and security model. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion. And welcome back. Good to see you here. So every time you go live, it's like a good vibe only. You're doing great. So, or fun, friendly, and full of energy. Thank you so much, dear Crypto Champion. Thank you so much. Means a lot. May Allah bless you and your family. Okay, so now next we have pending improvement. So future version of commit builds with support improvements focused on reducing powering time and improving cost even further. So virtual trees and even creator improvement for storage proves it there's usage of virtual trees of marquee trees. This technology is however reality under joint. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion, for your joining. Thank you so much. Means a lot. Okay, thanks to all for your joining. The next we have virtual trees and even greater improvement of storage proofs that used. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion. Okay, so and even grades improvement for storage proof. It is the usage of virtual trees of market tree. This technology is, however, relative under development. The next we have GLOIS. GLOIS is Union Zero Knowledge Consensus Power System. We will be built GLOIS around three fundamental principles. Number first, we have extremely fast. So fast providing time accurate to fast bridging and good users experience GLOIS and generate consensus or proof or 1 to 8 validation within a 7 second. The number two, low cost burning millions of dollars in the monthly code infrastructure cost to generate ZK proof is not a sustainable model. Generating proof should be super cheap. Okay, so now third we have censorship or resistance. In order to combat censorship attack, anyone should be able to generate consensus proof is their own management or goals is so efficient that proof generation and equipment 5 GB RAM for 128 validators, enabling the generation of proofs of minute or entry level consume laptops. Thanks to all for your joining. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So if you have any question related to today's stream or topic, feel free to ask in my comment section. Okay, so now next we have the number 3 we discussed. The now next for decentralizing infrastructures. Operators do not need complex code architectures to operate a reliable and proven. Anyone can participate in the system because of the view focused on efficient CPU based parination of ZKPS, or as we do not want to depend on specific GPU validators. The next we have architecture. Transaction through union to the counterparties L1s or L2s are swirling rollup as composed of the step or number 1 emit and IBC and packet event. The number 2 generate a zero knowledge consensus proof of the union state or at block, and the number 3 update counterparty with union state. So global is building user gain rack and best performing ZK SANRK library and communicate our ORPC high performance open sources or universal RPC framework. So note we have depending on validator set drift. GLOIS may need to generate multiple proof of the result in and being at least trusted. High n plus 1 begin to the high 2 underrated to the dinars. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow. The next we have benchmarks. Global benchmarks exceptionally well. Our benchmarks are 100% reproducibly generated with NIX, so anyone can verify them. Third party validation of these benchmarks has been contributed to by Lightning. They will listed global to global V3 benchmarks here to see our progress. You can see historical glories and benchmarks for older VN here. Okay, thank you so much to all of you for your joining. The next we have future roadmap. So Glories is a fully functional production ready, extremely reliable and performant. However, there are always further improvements. Vertical tree support or formal verification with learn through catching or ensure that the network does not perform redundant work and insensitive sites decentralizing proving efficiently using union as a decentralizing sequence or on directions layer. So one note, the global tech stack also support GPU-based ZKP generation, but we design the system to be independent of GPUs to good performs or describe. The next we have Voyager. Relying is hard. There are several key properties to a reliable relayer, the most important of which begin. So special IBC relying is to raise to the bottom with layers flighting to be the first to submit a pack, or often they are submitting a packet that ends up begin for turn data integrity. There's no use begin the first to submit packet if the packet is submitted incorrectly, as a good relier will never drop packets. So this latter is especially important for other chain. It's a channel will be closed if a packet on its item or out. The next we have quick startup time. RPCs are unreliable and it incredible difficult to bullet around every possible failure case, especially when in contracting to multiple different chain. Even with proper error handling and retency logic, it is the event of crash startup time should be muscular or C. Voyager takes a novel approach to solving to the generate different unique of sense. Initially, everything is a modular as the field state management, which is stored in broadcast to the ensure transactions integrity. Every chain guides transaction submission and even the data itself it's representing as a state with the query. The design solves two of the properties mentioned above out of the box data integrity and quick startup time. Since no start state is stored in Voyager itself, it's able to crash and stated it processed within a parameter transactions. We are guaranteed at the data we working. It's a correct barrier bug. It's the business logic, of course. So the final property speed is also solved by the design. Since each message fully encapsulated at the state it needs to operate, multiple messaging can safely be executed in parallel. This means, for instance, that while one work is switching event for a block, another could be submitting a light client update and another could be generated a state proof and so on. So for more information of Voyager's architecture, see concepts. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow my account. If you have any question related to today's stream or topic, feel free to ask in my comment section. Thank you so much, great user, for your joining. Thanks to all. Okay, so now next we have light clients. Now the discuss of light clients. Voyager implements to the relying logic of Silverlight's client protocol. Some of these are exciting specifications such as Terminate and Ethereum, but more are custom implementation of chain Union has connected to IBC. So many of these custom light clients bullet for the exciting light client transactions to Ethereum and Terminate with additional logic specific to their protocol finally. So L2 client, Voyager supports several Ethereum L2s which are implemented and conditional light client. The statement conditions are update logic is different for each L2 but is the basic principle are the same. Okay, so now verify the account root of their two roll-up contract on L1. So verify the L2 state is stored is the L2 roll-up contract or verify the IBC announce root agents or the roll-up root. So the consensus high of L2 clients is the consensus high of the L1 which is the cause of Ethereum L2s as the highest of Beacon chain and L2 clients are can only be updated to heights that the L1 clients if taken has a conscious state of. As such, the finality items or time for L2s is the L2 statements or period plus L1 finally time. The next we have Voyager concepts. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow. Okay, so now if you have any question related to today's stream or topic, feel free to ask in my comment section. Now next we have Voyager concepts, modelers and polygons. The all functionality in Voyager is providers to modelers and polygons. The modeler provider various forms of read-only data such as the latest height of a chain or a state proof. Plugins, on the other hand, directly interact with the query C plugin and the query of more information. So types IBC specification. An IBC specification defines the similarities of a like client based bridging protocol. A specification must have the following properties. So some notice of a light client update a storage specification where clients are conscious state as a storage among any other strategies or specification. So where clients are conscious state and stored among any other state required by the IBC specification. So the store is required to be the probable, i.e. is the host environment must have some from the proof of this storage. This is the most like achieved via market state or the tier although this is not strategic requirement. Everything else is the implementation detail of the IBC specification. The flexibility allows Voyager to trivially supports other IBC like protocol such as traditional IBC or referred to as IBC classes through these documents or alongside. Next we have chain. A chain is defined by a few basis properties. Product books or within a increments high something also referred to a block number of slot. A consensus with some notice of finality where block order then can the later finalize a higher there never leverages and the consider finalize. So a storage layer with probable state or one or more IBC interfaces. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So if you have any question related to today's stream or topic, feel free to ask in my comment section. Okay, so now next we have consensus. A chain consensus defines the client and consensus state type stored in the client. They are verified set consensus management or example. So IBC interface. So an IBC interface defines the entry points of IBC specification performations on a chain. A chain is a probability to the define have marketing difficult and IBC interfaces of example to the client specification of different IBC interfaces. The next we have example or client type. Client type, the mechanism used to verify a counterparty or consume clients are defined by four properties compatible with an IBC specification. On an IBC interfaces verifies a specific consumes management or for a specific IBC specification. Okay, the next we have example IBC interfaces constitutes or verify IBC specification. So now we discuss the feature. The Voyager binary exposing a JSON RPC interfaces to allow for more guiding and configure chain. For example, you can query the state of any clients or any chain as long as the state modeler for the host chain is configured using to the Voyager barrier or CIN. So if there is a finally or finitely modeler configured for the host chain as well, then be optimated as it will default to. The next we have and finally it client modeler is configured to whatever type of client. Here is this is the case. It happened to be can be passed as well to receive the token of utility and organization to JSON value interested to be the raw based. So this general concept of modularity is present in all areas of Voyager. As another example, many EVM chains, Warrior EVM L2, custom gate for L1S such as BSC or fully custom EVM compatible chains such as C. Many of interfaces are the execute same as Ethereum mainnet. In this case, the Ethereum state modeler can be the compatibility required for those chain, not just configure to a different chain ID and RPC URI. The same applies to the modelers, meaning that will be adding support to Yoker for a new chain. Oftentimes, a vast majority of the work required can be fully reviewed for exciting Polygon and modelers. Okay, so now next we have polygons or and the QEU. So polygons are a special type of modeler to the also have access to the message query. Every polygon has their own topic occur, which is the polygon name has the topic along with interesting filter can the full messages into them. The polygon also define their own international query of every between other management. So for more information about polygon lifecycle and management, see the document. So putting it all together, the ability to query any chain in the abstract manner also directly improving the DX and reliability of their writing to the issue to the more modular or on areas. In practically there is this architecture since there we design the detail the rescue shift clients. Sometimes it's refined 10% to L2 statements irrational to L1 finality of the L2 finality of reducing potential multiple clients to be updated before the recursive clients itself can be updated. Okay, thanks to all for your joining. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow. So next we have a good example for this our state lens client architectures where many modelers are fully restricted for exciting models. The finality of a state lens client is the finality the L2 clients being tracked through the hope chain. This means did not additional to the modeler required to the new star of proof modelers to the required to be loaded where dealing these states or lens clients. Since these modeler will need to be loaded for the host chain where the state lens client is also everywhere. There are however several and new polygon and modelers that are required for the architecture to work. So client modeler, this is a standard for all new clients type. Their clients modeler provider to the coded of including and recognizing to the different state of the clients. The next we have client bootstraps modeler, similar to the clients modeler to the also standard for all new clients type. However, this is only required for creating new clients. So clients update polygon. This is the most complex part of the state lens architecture. Up to 2 individual client update are there required to update a state. Lenses client, the L2 client on the L1 and the L1 client on LO. The host chain, this is the trivially achieved by leveraging to the Bovike VM or messages. Thanks to all for your joining and appreciation. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. So I am a new streamer. I really need your support. So if you have any question related to this project, feel free to ask in my comment section. Okay, so now next we have in building these messaging several additional to L2. This may seem like a lot of requirements. However, remember that all of these differences listed above were in a case already written. All that needs to be done with to be the configure them of the chaining. So we need to use here and to bullet the state lens or client logic only one polygon client update and two modeler client and client bootstrap needed to be written from scratch. This same concept with different degrees of requirable apply to L2. Albithurium optimizing you will be type of roll-up customized executions environment SCI novel consume management or become kit and even internally we chain is SUI or support the full non-averaging implementation of the state lens client update polygon and be found here. Okay, so the now next we have overview or apps. Thank you so much to all of you. Samuel Mishtaq 280, thanks to all Kaya07 King of Coin. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So now next we have connect a new chain. So if your chain is not yet connected to Union, then you can permissionally edit support Union support L1S, L2S or L3S and roll up. All your need is a VM. We currently support EVM, PostVAMs and more. The setups to connect are simple. So note we have below is the overview of a setup involved connecting a new chain for tested 9 new connections are initially created by Union Labs. Soon these documents will be updated with more details so that anyone can opportunate the open connection. Okay, so now next we have upload IBC union and light client contract. So this means developments and installing both the contract and the representative light clients of the chain. You will trying to connect. You will the need to deploy the connect BLS light client on your chain as well as the representative light of client of your chain and union. Union has implementations and following slide. So Arbiturium Cosmos or the configuration the your worker layer you will be need to either use to create a Voyager interfaces. The support you rely needs to open the connection with Voyager and the contract in players. You can being the connection ceremony. Assuming your Voyager is a train both union and your chain, you will only need to send a message to accomplishment this. So this your Voyager is not already tracking your chains. You will be need to submit the reminder of the connection ceremony messages. So now next we have upon our channel, open a channel with the connection established. You will need to be open a channel on the connection before sending messaging between union and your chain. Send assessed and data with the channel open. You can now the assessed and data between chains. Start by manually submitting transfer or messaging or see the other connect tutorial and Send access on data with your own apps. So the next we have access transfer tutorial. This tutorial will walk you through creating a smart contract and ended accessed with union. Access transfer can be achieved through to the messaging passing exposed by ZKGM aka UCS03 ZKGM. So at the point you can continue to the tutorial with either your COSM, WASM or Solidity specific or tutorial. The next we have UCS03 ZKGM Access Transfer Tutorial or Solidity. So prerequisites, the tutorial assume that you have experience creating contract in Solidity. The union team use NIK2X managed development environment. While this tutorial many mention different developers tools, it will be not be guide to throw setting each one or up. So this tutorial users found it to create a manage the Solidity contract. So this tutorial assume UCS03 ZKGM has been deployed to the EVM, your development, your contract too. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Okay, so now next we have transfer. So to demonstrate access transfer will UCS03, this tutorial will walk you through creating a simple contract and send UNU to Union project bootstrapping, internalizing to a new Foundry project to house the solid contract. We will create a project, we will following folder or structure. So rename detail or delete the folder as will not be used in the example. So the next we have contract sources. This demonstrates creating an interface to expose to the transfer function for the already deployed UCS03 ZKGM contract using the export interfaces of UCS03. ZKGM is the contract has a function to conduct set transfer or one UNG. So this tutorial only take advantage of the function from UCS03 ZKGM. To see a full list of function made available by USC03 ZKGM, refer to the Solidity contract in our repository. So contract running script, deploying the contract can then be deployed to whole sky as follows. The next we have prerequisite, we discuss. Okay, now so next we have BLS signature. So bounce lane stems BLS signature from the foundations commit BLS that will be cheaper to verify for both regular IBC and zero knowledge proof to protocol. So Union testnet 10. Union testnet is not yet available for end users to deploy can already get ready. Testnet 10 has permissions, COM, WASP20 support. So RPC, the link is available in front of your screen. So now Faucet messaging on the Slack, your Telegram for talent token for free market to increase network stability. A free market has been introducing this adds or dynamic fee rates to transaction of the network for end users. This means that each transaction will need to include a non-zero fee. You can read more, skip documents for change for end users and their integration. Okay, so now next we have Union Mainnet. Union Mainnet is a now generally available developers and infrastructures provider can find helpful information about the network here. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. So most end user will interact with Union Mainnet for Ethereum using cross-chain staking and governance. So network chain ID Union 1, Genesis download Union plus Genesis or seeds public endpoints RPC or provider. Union nodes or nodes group, Lavender 5 or Rourke J, King nodes or stake relax or provider GRPS. So Union nodes guru Lavender 5 or Polkachu, King nodes or stake relax, rest provider or Union node guru. Okay, so now binary and upgrade history. Gas and staking. The primary gas and staking token for the union is $U. On-chain $U is representing by the base denom AUATTU, where is it's a 18 dissimilar of precision. So free market to increase network stability, Union uses an on-chain fee market. This added dynamic fees rates to transaction on the network. For end users, this means that each transaction will need to include a non-zero fee. You can read more in skip documents for change and end users to the integration or guidance. Next we have getting started. So the Union clients is TypeScript. First its framework agnostic at app Union Bullet. We use Servlet, but you can use any framework or not framework at all. If you are elected developers, check out the demo or script build. So note, if you need transact token for testing, visit the link is here. So installation. Predependents ensure predependents are satisfied by packed manager or example. See example of common usage patterns or API documentation. See the API documentation which is guaranteed and original by Modeler. Okay, so now next we have ceremony. Union ceremony has a following components: web app, ceremony, Union bullets, MPC clients running it to the terminal, the coordinator managing to the query and aggregations upload. So we use NIK to create fully reproducing bullet of AI components and provider commands on that you can bullet them yourself. So web app developers on ceremony point, Union point, bullet handle hash to a show query, set up our show our contribution. So you can bullet it locally like this. So MPC clients image publish it here, handles a generation of the contribution, generation of the APA key and sign by upload the contribution. You can bullet its locality like it's on to the machine and log the image like this on a management MPC coordinator. The coordinator has two components. The first Postgres management and curate to contributing host and Supabase. The architecture services verifying incoming contributor hosted by Hetzener. You can see the dashboard schema here and you can bullet the services locally like this on. So there are no trust assumptions on the database. At its the end of ceremony or contribution will be published and verifiable by all. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow my account. The next we have Union Network and Union Token. Okay. So now Union is the zero knowledge ZK interoperability network for the function as the statement and liquidity layer for protocol and assist issue. It is powered by the Union token which is issued by the Union Foundation. So token Union token at a glance. Property detail symbol U, name Union, token standard ERC20, contract address or Genesis supply 10,000 initial calculating supply 1.919.050.000. Disclaimers is 18. Logo PNG is the link available, or logo SVG, and the also link available in front of your screen. So Union token utility UERC220 in the native token, gas token of the Union network, and serve three main functions with the Union ecosystem. So gas token is the dynamic fee market or network security via delegated POS. So cross-chain governance via Union products such as Aura BTC with the generated additional revenue for the Union protocol as well. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Okay, so now Warrior Union Dynamic Fee Market U is the consumed wherever relays proven of connected chain perform critical action, paying to aggregated to verify ZK proofs, or a payoff computer market, maintaining and updating light clients, creating for phrasing connection and configuration. New creation grows of ratio this usage from the dynamic fee market when participant can pay more control to the order flow and opportunity critical corporation operation by telling token demanding directly to prove verification and cross-chain connection. You achieve interfaces utility all night with the network cross function secure transaction or trustless interoperability at scale. Thank you so much, great users, and all of you for your joining. So the token service as the native gas token for the network brought by protocols, relayers, and probers to aggregator proofs are relay transactions protocol like Ether Finance required you to operate smart contract and performs routing. So Union Dynamic Fee Market. In short, you power compute and messaging to the reliable backbone for chain security pool of aggregation and transaction. Ordinary validators must stake to be participate in consensus and products book, while token holder can stake you to support validators and receive token or mission. So staking a link site to insensitive for network participant, creating economy security of multiple financially. Finally, the ability to order bridging, transfer through ordering for proof aggregation. So make union to the first coaches network where stake directly control or order flow, making validator source or you available. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Thank you so much, Samuel or Nine Dragon. Thanks to all. So cross-chain governesses, through Union cross-chain governesses, your holder can stake and delegate to validators from of the connected chain, starting with Ethereum, without bridgings to leveraging the native ecosystem. They allow token holders to contribute to architecture designer or making such as parameter changes, validator set updates, and protocol upgrades by staking you and delegation their votes to Union network or validators. So over time, union governesses with support direct cross-chain voting compatibility with DeFi, e.g. staking position and contractor to the lower liquidity fragmentation, since users can participate without moving assets between chains. So staking, we have union is a proof of stake blockchain with a validator set can assure the network and power its ZK interoperability layer. So validators earn reward for producing blocks and verifying interoperability proofs, while delegators receive a share of those reward minutes. The validators common to free. Thanks to all for your joining. Okay, so now next we have a deposit follow. Users connect with the wallet of Ethereum or throughout the Ether Union interfaces. The user deposit or a portion by 15% adjustable it's into the Ether LST contract to the minute EU or this wallet developments token into the strategy staking liquidity on Ton DEX. The user receive VU token in their EVM wallet to responding that wallet or deposit. So withdraw flow, we have users connect their wallet to the each union to the interfaces. To user submitted a withdraw request or VU token are sent from the user back to the Babylon or Genesis wallet. The wallet Brahms has VU and begins with withdraw process from Tower DEX and liquidity pool for staking. Number 5, token accumulated rewards and transferred back to their users' wallet within a 48 hours for free fast path or 21 days for the security or path. So tokenomics inflation, you will launch with the initial annual inflation rate of 6%, which is the decreased by 10% each year until reciting to the long terms initial rate of 2%. Staking rewards are dynamically calculated based on the proportional of token. Bonded union does not target a created bonding to ratio initially. This flexibility design allows the network to balance security and decentralization while giving user to the freedom to deploy you into the union ecosystem or its project for proportionally high rewarded allowing economic insensitive or ecosystem. The next we have Genesis supply distribution. So Union will have a total supply of 10,000 U at the Jensen split and the cross-axis categories described in the chart in the table or below. So Union general supply or distribution you see in your screen in front of you. तो ये था आज का हमारा प्रोजेक्ट जो कि हमने डिस्कस किया. तो चलते हैं फर्स्ट पे. So Gate Launch Pool Sport GUSD staking in project hashtag 312 Union use stake GUSD or U to claim airdrop. So 2025 by 090507.11.06 UTC and the total views we have 23045. Okay, so Gate Launch Pool now support GUSD staking and will be launch project hashtag 312 Union U. Users can stake GUSD or U to share 6,500,000 U token for free. Airdrop reward are distributed only. So mint GUSD or deposit GUSD or trade GUSD in USDT market via the links is here in front of you. So airdrop details taking period September 5, 2025 at 09.00 UTC to September 15, 2025. September 2025 and 9.00 UTC to total staking reward 6,500,000 U. So stake to earn now. Unlocking method unlock 100%. Gate Launch Pool allows users to stake to the advantage or you can stake your assets before the official launch of the project to ensure you start earning reward as soon as mining begin. So reward distribution, the system will distribute the token reward to user support account on at hourly based placed to the proportion of assets they have or ask. So Gate Launch Pool FAQ, how to participate, log in your Gate account and complete identity verification, navigate to Launch Pool, hold at least 0.05 GUSD, won by you, click stake. So now next we have the project information. Union is the leading ZK interoperability L1 functionality as a statements and liquidity layer of protocol assessed issue. There are no dependence on trustable third parties, Orculus or multi-signatures or MPC unlike other interoperability protocol. So Union hyper efficient ZK interop player enabling seamless asset issues and scaling across thousands of chains without specifying securely, efficiently, decentralization or speed. This makes the Union network as a file to the category while aiming for sub-second statement across chain or the end game of consistent chain. Future official website in front of you. So GateLab investment disclosure, GateLab did not invest or Union U. So not Gate Launch Pool, it is the innovator staking airdrop platform where users can only airdrop of trading and newly listed token by staking at GT, BTC, ETH or USDT, Gust or other token with low entry barrier and high APR. It is the easy way to capture market opportunity. Okay, the number second, please complete identity verification before participating. The launch pool to enhance the security of your account and assess. So please follow the relevant rules of the event to the when participating any cheating behavior is prohibited, which will be the result is disqualification of the reward. So for in case of disparity between the translated and original English version, the English version shall prevail. So Gate reserve all rights to the financial explanation. This event is not affiliated with Apple INS. Users in the United Kingdom and other restricted locations cannot access the services, including the participation in this event, game, or competition. See the user argument for further detail or restricted location. The risk warning. So number first, as a blockchain startup, still it is the early stage to the project by involves significant risk is barrier accept or including opportunity underlying technology at the legal and regularity environment. The number second, understanding blockchain startup and assessing to their inherent risk require advanced technical and financial knowledge. The number three, due to influence from technology, regularity, framework, market condition, and other factors, the project your participation in may experience significant price volatility with price of potentially risking or falling therapy or sharply. So due to the issue related to the underlying technology of the project and get trading platform, you will not be able to withdraw or offer part of assessed from the project. The number five, cryptocurrency project at the high risk of nature and cryptocurrency price are highly volatile. The project team does not be provide any form of margin price combined to downside potential. Please ensure you're fully on standing risk on the reminder to the generated of compensation. So Gate team September 5, 2025 gateway to crypto. Trade over 3,500 cryptocurrency safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. Take action now. Sign up and claim up to $10,000 in welcome reward. Invite friends and earn the 40% commission. Stay connected. Visit Gate official website. Download the Gate app desktop. Follow us on X Twitter to get more bonuses. Join us over Telegram community to discuss trending topics. Engage with our global community for the latest insight, transparency and security. Check our 100% proof और रिजर्व. तो ये था आज का हमारा प्रोजेक्ट जो कि हमने डिस्कस किया. Gate Launch Pool Sport GUST staking in project hashtag 312 Union U stake GUST or U to claim airdrop. आई होप आज का टॉपिक आप सबके लिए इंटरेस्टिंग रहा होगा. अगर अभी तक आपने मुझे फॉलो नहीं किया तो मुझे जल्दी से फॉलो कर लें ताकि हम इसी तरह से मजीद नए नए इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक डिस्कस कर सकें. तो ये था आज का हमारा टॉपिक. इट्स टाइम टू रैप अप. तो मिलते हैं कल एक नए इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक के साथ. तब तक अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिए. टिल देन टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ एंड अल्लाह हाफिज.